In this video, I'll guide you through how to take attendance in Google Meet using an attendance tracking add-on. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to get the tool set up so you can quickly see who attended your meeting without having to track it manually. Let's start from inside your Google Meet. Once you've joined your meeting and you're on the main screen, look toward the bottom or top area of the interface where your main controls usually appear. You'll want to find the option labeled Meeting Tools. Depending on your layout or updates to the interface, this might appear as an icon or a small menu, but it will be clearly associated with tools or settings for your meeting. Go ahead and click on Meeting Tools. This is where Google collects extra features that enhance your meeting experience. When you open this panel, you should see multiple options related to controlling or customizing your meeting. Among these options, look for one called Add-ons. Click on Add-ons. Add-ons are extra tools that connect with Google Meet to give you more functionality, such as tracking attendance, running polls, or adding timers. Think of them as small apps that plug directly into your meeting so you can do more without leaving the Google environment. Once you open the add-ons section, you'll usually see a prompt or a button that lets you explore additional tools. Here you're looking for the Browse the Marketplace button. The Marketplace is essentially a store where you can find and install approved add-ons that work with Google Meet and other Google apps. Click the Browse the Marketplace button. This will open a new window or side panel that shows you a searchable list of available add-ons. You might see categories, featured tools, or recommendations, but to keep things simple, head straight to the search bar near the top of the marketplace. In the search bar, type Meet Attendance Tracker. Then wait for the results to load. You should see an add-on with a name like Meet Attendance Tracker, designed specifically to record who joins your Google Meet sessions. When you see it, click on it to open the details page. On the add-on details page, you'll typically see a description, screenshots, reviews, and an install button. Take a quick moment to confirm that it's the correct tool and that it's intended for Google Meet attendance. When you're ready, click Install. You may be asked to grant permissions so the add-on can access your meetings and generate attendance reports. Review the permissions, then accept them if you're comfortable and if this is allowed by your organization. Once the add-on is installed, it will appear inside your Google Meet under Meeting Tools, usually in the add-ons area. The next time you're in a meeting, you can open Meeting Tools again, select the Meet Attendance Tracker add-on, and follow its on-screen prompts to start tracking attendance. Most of these tools will automatically capture who joins and leaves and then generate a report for you after the meeting ends. That's all there is to it. Click Meeting Tools, go to Add-ons, browse the marketplace, and find the Meet Attendance Tracker. With that in place, taking attendance in Google Meet becomes a quick and reliable part of your workflow.